morning friends, this is D. Venugopal from Banaras University. Welcome to the series Let Us Learn LaTeX. This is the fourth video demonstration. In this, we will learn how to prepare an article using article class. Let us start Text Studio. As we have seen, when we open the Text Studio, everything is empty. Okay, now we are starting a new document, and the first command we have to give to prepare a document is \document class, and the name of the class is article. See the spelling ARTICLE. Then the second thing we have to do is give the begin document, end document, begin document. Because this is a IDE, integrated development environment, all these commands are inbuilt, most of the commands. So there is no need to type us entire commands here. If we type something, it will automatically come here. Then generally, to typeset our article, the first thing will be title of the article. So \title, then give the name of the title. This is a sample article prepared using LaTeX. See, this is a command. If I type with capital L, small a, capital T, small e and x, what happens is it will typeset LaTeX in its proper form. It is predefined. Then we will give the name of author. Okay, we can give more than one name also. So present we give only one name. Okay, then two backslashes, as we have already seen yesterday. It is a carriage return. Then Banaras Hindu University. Okay, then Varanasi. Suppose there is another author along with me, then I can give \AND. Okay, then the second author's name. Suppose like this, and he is working in some other university. Okay, Ludhiana, and close the bracket. See, when the brackets are correct, they are shown in colors, yellow color highlighted. Okay, if there is extra bracket, then it won't show any color. So remove it. Then if we don't need any date, what we have to do? \date and leave this empty. And to typeset the title, we will type it here \make title. Okay. Then we will compile the document. As we have already seen, to compile the document, we have to click on the double green arrow. Okay, click it. Our document is prepared. See, two names are set side by side. Okay, then what is the next important thing? We have typeset A, the title of the paper and names of the others. The next thing will be generally abstract. So there is abstract environment. So backslash begin abstract and abstract and abstract. So in this we will typeset the abstract. This is a small abstract typed for sample purpose. Okay, like this. Then again compile it. My advice is always compile the document after typing a paragraph or few lines so that your document is typeset without any hindrances, and if there are any mistakes it will come here and you can immediately rectify it. Okay, then after abstract what is the thing? We have to type introduction like that thing. For that there is no environment. Now we are using the commands like section. In article there will be various sections. So this section is introduction. Okay, like that. Then we typeset the matter here. That is like this. Then again compile it. What happens? Immediately introduction was typed, it was set in bold, okay, and number was given, whereas we have not given any number here. Again, this abstract is also typeset between the margins with smaller letters than the main body of the letter, with the abstract typed in the center. Okay, like section, there is subsection is also there for subsection purpose. Okay, see backslash subsection. Here we will say what is tech. We'll type it like this. See, immediately subsection number came and it is typeset with smaller letters. Like that, we have another thing called subsection also. Subsection. Okay, like this. Now compile it. You see, subsection is also added here. Section, subsection, subsection. See, between the section heading and the paragraph, some extra space is given like that. From the paragraph and the subsection title, extra paragraph space is given here. Like this, extra space is given by the tech engine. It is not given by us. If suppose if I remove this also, then also it will typeset the spaces. It has no rule. Why I am giving space here is so that in future there are any connection we can easily see all these things. Okay. Now there are some options available for every class. These options are given in the square brackets after document class and before the class name. Okay. What is the option is available? A4 paper. If I want to typeset my article on A4 paper, I will just type A4 paper and my article is typeset according to the A4 paper and margins everything are changed accordingly. Suppose I want to typeset it on a A5 paper. A5 paper means half of the A4 paper. Just see, immediately everything changed here. All the margins and everything. There is no need to worry for you what is happening and how to typeset like this. Okay. This is the second page. Like that. Then another option available is here. I can type. Okay. 12 point. This is the font size of the article. The size of the font used here. Again I am compiling it. See, immediately it is changed. Now I am changing this to A4 paper also. Okay, immediately everything is changed. Like that, I can typeset 10 point. Okay, this is the default. Or 11 point or 12 point. Generally, standard books are typeset only using these three sizes of fonts. Only children's books are printed beyond this font size, that is 14 point or 17 point. For that we have to use extra packages. Okay. Another option available for article is title page. If I type title page here, what happens? Immediately a title page is created. Okay. Then abstract is typeset on a separate page. Then the main article starts here. By this, because many journals ask authors to submit their paper with separate title page. So this is very useful for these purposes. Other things are for book, class and all these things. And what are the classes available? Instead of article, just type it here AMS Art. AMS ART. AMS Art means American Mathematical Society's article class. This was created by American Mathematical Society for their channels. If I typeset it, build it, okay. Title page, I am removing this title page is also, okay. You see, immediately everything is changed. The title is changed without my doing anything. Then the author and address all also changed, and again also abstract changed, introduction changed, everything is changed. That is why most of the journals ask researchers to submit their papers in LaTeX so that they can simply write the class name of their article journal and typeset the paper without any making without any major efforts. Then another command we will see is here after make title type set table of contents, table of table of contents. What happens? Immediately a table of contents is created here. See, contents, introduction, part two levels is only approved in the American Mathematical Society. So suppose if I want to change, if I change this to article, okay, again if I compile the document, now subsection is also came here. Because all are macros here, we are defining with section, okay, subsection, all these things are defined in the core of the LaTeX program. Because of that only all this is happening. Without our making any much effort, all these things are being done. I hope you understood how to make a continuous matter typeset using LaTeX. Now, as a small project, start writing your article by adding these sections, subsections and subsections and practice it. In the next lecture, we will see how to use LaTeX more beautifully by using various commands available in the LaTeX. These are the useful books. The book I recommend is the Indian Tech Users Groups, the LaTeX Tutorials a Premier. You just search the web, you will get it, download it and use it. Most of the commands I am telling are available in first and second chapters of these tutorials. Thank you for listening to me, and this lecture is prepared using open source software OBS Studio. Please send your comments to my email ID dvgtech@gmail.com. Thank you very much.